right away a while ago. Because I hurt him. Because I foot bent up a while ago.
Because I foot bent up.
Because I broke your legs a while ago.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. You don't know, today is just, wow, a nice little beach day, you know, weather nice outside, sunny, Sunday, and we decided to go up on a little beach trip with the family, you know, so that we had it today, and we go drink, eat, and just have a good time. Is me answer? Yeah, we outside. Yeah, man, so I'm gonna take a quick wash off in that water right now and just hold our vibes. You know what I mean? Yeah. So see y'all in the water, guys.
Boss for every boss, done for every done. Ever militant, so it and so it and humble.
Yes, people, so last night, you know, we went going on like a street dance, you know? Top farm. Yeah. It was a good look. Everything was, you know, lit. Yeah, man, so we just there cool off, you know, relax the body in the water. Let me tell you, in the water, nice, you know, nice and warm, people. Wish you went there for yourself, could experience it. Yeah, man, but hey, all you need for day, you know, if you don't live in Jamaica and you don't live near the beach, just drive out on a Sunday or a Saturday or any day of the week and come check it out, man. Yeah, relax your mind. Yeah, just like that. And if you don't live in Jamaica, just take a plane. Yeah, or a boat, take a flight, something, and come to Negril. Yeah, man. 7-mile stretch of beach, Negril, Jamaica, that's where it's at. Yeah.
Tell them no confusion. Boss for everybody, done for every done. Make them know see I want, so it can so it can. No confusion. Hey, now you poor trap. Badness no rate them.
Oh, wow. Off Orlando.
I'm sure what they need to do.
You got it on YouTube, you know? Yeah, you're on YouTube now.
Hi.
Yeah, man.
This is the life.
How is this? Welcome to one of the beaches them down in a public place.
We had to pay to get up.
Yeah. It's a free beach, but it's not free at the same time. You have to pay a convenience fee of $150 to get in.
We're in the
which
island just to run about water.
makes no sense. I mean,
we gotta pay.
I'm not even going to talk about it, you know. I'm not going to talk about it, but people,
I talked about it already.
the government of Jamaica need to do better for the people them, because how the heck is this? It's supposed to be a free beach, but yet it's have to pay $150 each per person to come in. That don't make no sense. Even though it's cheap, but still, that don't make no sense. Danger, come here, because I want to go and people. They can't come in the water before I go on. Hold on, calm down. Here, hey, yo, we're not supposed to have people on beach in Jamaica. How you own beach? What? What park? Bullshit, we're not supposed to pay for no beach. You see you know.
You need maintenance.
Listen. You see you know. You're one of them, you know. You're one of them. No, it's not. It's less than $1 US. But what may I say is,
How much? Like 98 cents.
You need restroom. You need clean.
you look good for the camera though. So I'll go on. Anybody you want to shout out on the camera? Live in America? No. You have your sister in America? Your daughter? Oh God. You don't even want to say hi to Paisley? Take me off. So I'll go on for the camera. So I'll go on for the vlog. You want to shout out any of your friends in a foreign? You don't like none of them? You got it on YouTube, you know? Yes guys, big up to all of my subscribers all over the world. Much love and appreciation. As me I say, continue to watch the videos, like up the videos, share the videos, comment and subscribe. Yeah man, big up on yourself. Keep watching the vlog. Oh, she's still here, Brianna. I'm just kidding. It's all, look, it's all over there. All over that side. You know how I come? Okay, well, could I even sit down right there, so?
That's where they have the floating.
Where's about Jesus, about?
I'm going to walk on the water.
So that's why it's so salty?
No. Level of salt.
You have one.
The floating sea.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
No tall.
Yeah.
Oh,
you
yeah.
can sing, but it's just the thickness.
The thickness.
Of the salt.
Why you float?
Yeah, the salt is so thick, like concentrated.
No, she had about other one where the site up on the internet. And if you go in the water, you just start float. Because, oh,
yeah, but if you're standing, you go sick. But if you lay on your back,
oh, okay.
it's just the concentration of the salt.
Of the salt, oh.
They make your water thicker.
Thicker, okay.
I know say them a saps, our world and that a facts. Them brain jump out, them need a shot.